Think of something in your life that you have wanted to accomplish but haven't, something deep down. Whether it's because you haven't gotten around it, are too timid to go for it, or you took a shot and failed spectacularly. When confronted with life's biggest opportunities, most of us make the mistake by not recognizing it, and then we enact a number of strategies to avoid the pain and pressure inherent in reaching for our dreams. Here are 5 of the most common things which stops people from achieving success. You will fail because you are afraid to stand out among the crowd. Immersion rot. Society everywhere is in conspiracy against the self-reliance of every one of its members. People do not like it when other people change or do something that makes them feel awkward or insecure. Pushing ourselves to reach our own greatness threatens the complacency of those around us, shining a light on their own squashed dreams and failed potential. In many cases, those people lash out. It makes them question themselves, which is difficult for the most to handle. According to Manson's conversation with fellow internet entrepreneur, he has started multiple online ventures. Some have failed, some have made money. All of it was struggle. He spent time traveling around the world and returned home for the holidays, where his father promptly told him that he needed to be realistic and get a normal job. Simple fact of life, if you want to do something incredible, something that makes you stand out above the rest, then you have to become comfortable being different from the rest. People will think you are weird, crazy, selfish, arrogant, stupid, disrespectful, etc. Those closest to you will often become the harshest. If you have weak boundaries or are not confident with your own ideas and desires, then you are not going to make it very far. You are not persistent enough. In 2009, debut author Karl Marlands finally published Matterhorn, a novel based on his experiences in the Vietnam War. The book was a hit. The New York Times called it one of the most profound and devastating novels to ever come out of any war. Mark Bowden, best-selling author of Black Hawk Down, declared it the greatest book ever written about the Vietnam War. It took over 35 years for Marlands to get his book published, more than half of his lifetime. He rewrote the manuscript 6 separate times. For the first 2 decades, publishers hardly read it, much less rejected it. Most of us give up on something we are passionate about too soon, and anyone who has been successful has a tale of struggle and perseverance to share. As the cliche goes, nothing worth having comes easy. You fail to network and build strong relationships. It's said that 66% of people hired for a job know someone within the company that is hiring them. But even in the non-professional world, isolation can undo you just as quickly. Instead of going broke, you just go depressed. Creating a wealth of social and romantic relationships hinges on the ability to meet people and connect with them in a meaningful manner. Research shows that living without regular social contact is as unhealthy as smoking cigarette. You fail because you don't take responsibility for what happens in your life, also known as having an excuse for everything disorder. To fix the problem in your life, you must have power over them. You cannot have power over aspects of your life until you take responsibility for them. Therefore, if you do not take responsibility for what happens to you, you fail. There are numerous situations in life which may seem completely unfair and insurmountable. You fail because you would rather argue against advice instead of taking it. Guaranteed express ticket to sucking, trying to be right instead of good. I don't care what it is. If you are more invested in arguing your point of view against people who are trying to help you than you are in improving yourself, then you have effectively given up. And for all of your brainiac debating, you are still too stupid to say it. To succeed at anything, there is a feedback loop that must be in place. Try something, get feedback and results, learn from feedback, try something new.